Today, I'm going to teach you how to accept invites to private GitHub repositories. This is essential when you're collaborating with a team or contributing to a private project, as it grants you access to repositories that aren't publicly visible. First, open your web browser and navigate to your email account. This is where GitHub sends all repository invitations, so make sure you're checking the email address associated with your GitHub account. If you're not sure which email that is, you can always verify it in your GitHub settings. Once you're in your inbox, look for the invitation email from GitHub. It'll typically have a subject line that mentions a repository invitation or collaboration request. The email will come from GitHub's official address, so it should be easy to spot. If you don't see it in your main inbox, check your spam or promotions folder, as sometimes these automated emails can end up there. Open the invitation email by clicking on it. Inside, you'll see details about the repository you've been invited to, including the repository name and who sent you the invitation. This email serves as your gateway to accessing the private repository, so it's important to read through it to understand what you're being invited to collaborate on. Next, you'll see a button or link that says View Invitation. Click on this, it will redirect you to GitHub's website where you can review the full details of the invitation. This step ensures you're taken to the official GitHub platform to complete the process securely. Once you're on the GitHub page, you'll be presented with information about the repository and the invitation itself. Here, you'll see a button that says Accept Invitation. Go ahead and click on it. This action officially grants you access to the private repository and adds it to your list of repositories. And that's it. You've successfully accepted the invitation to the private GitHub repository. You can now view, clone, and contribute to the repository based on the permissions you've been granted. The repository should now appear in your GitHub dashboard, making it easy to access whenever you need to work on it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.